Asia, the continent full of innovation, vitality, and cultural depth, hosts some of the exceptional talents of the world. The Asia's Icon Awards 2024 highlights and celebrates these individuals that have created a significant impact on the continent's development and success.
The next award is Sustainability Leadership in Urban Nature Integration of the Award India. And this goes to Mr. Vinay Ram.
Ladies and gentlemen, he is the visionary founder of Planet Green Infra Private Limited. With over 20 years of real estate experience, he has transformed the landscape of sustainable development, fostering innovative and eco-friendly communities since the company's launch in 2021.